Hi, Ellicia Romo here. Let's talk today about the economy. What's everyone talking about? What's everyone worried about? We're talking about inflation rising, what's happening with the stock market, what's happening with interest rates, or interest rates rising, what's happening with the federal fund rate that's going to come out later this week. And probably, as we know, it's going to rise 0.75% again. All the talk is about the economy and inflation and things just rising. However, let's also talk about loan originators, realtors, insurance agents, people that work on commission. The beauty about working in an industry where you get to sell your service and make a commission means you actually get to create your own economy. So, whereas other people that are living on a salary, as inflation rises, things cost more, they're not making more money. They're capped out at their salary. As a loan originator, as a realtor, you have the beauty of creating your own economy. If you want more money, you can go out and get another deal. You can go out and create another closing. How, you might be asking? By doing the work, by reaching out to people, by making phone calls, by checking on your past clients, by making sure people are okay, calling your people and just saying, hey, what's going on? How are you doing? And genuinely caring about your people. When you care about people, people are going to care about you. When you ask for referrals, if people know you care and it's about making a difference for people and not just a paycheck, you're going to get referrals. And in this market, referrals are the name of the game. It's not so much about internet leads or the low-hanging fruit like when we had a refi boom. It's about building relationships, showing people you care, asking for the business, and putting in the time and work with persistency, being consistent, being there for people, making sure that everybody knows you are in the business and you want their business. By doing that, you get to create your own economy. You get to bring in more deals. You get to outshine the competition. And as prices rise in this world, you're not going to have to worry about it because guess what? You're going to have another deal coming in. Your income can be higher in this next year than it's ever been if you just do the work, treat people right, and make sure people know that you want their referrals. Follow me for more tips. Follow me on YouTube or on LinkedIn. And if you're a loan originator that wants some great coaching, I'm hiring at NEXA Mortgage. Give me a call. Let's talk. See if NEXA is the right place for you. Ellicia Romo, 602-989-2939 or eromo at nexamortgage.com. Two ways to reach me. Have an amazing day.